Hello, my dear students. Welcome all students to my YouTube channel. Myself, Sri S.K. Suryavanshi sir, KBH Vidyalay Malegaon Camp, Nasik. Today, we are going to discuss chapter number 2, quadratic equation, maths part 1st. Now, today's topic is methods of solving quadratic equations. Now, there are three methods to solve the quadratic equations. Following are the methods for solving quadratic equations. In that first one, factorization method. Second, completing square method. Third, formula method. Now we discuss about solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Now there are some steps. First, write the given equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then, second step, find the two linear factors of the left hand side of the equation. Third one, equate each linear factors to 0. Fourth, solve each equation obtained in third step and write the roots of the given equation. Now here we'll solve the quadratic equation step by factorization method. Here we have given the equation x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now how to solve this equation by factorization method? Here first step, split the middle term 8x as 3x and 5x, because 3x into 5x is equal to 15x square, which is equal to x square plus 15. Now second, find the factors of the left hand side of the equation. X into x plus 3 plus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. If the product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Solve each linear equation. X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 5. Write the answer. The roots of the equations are minus 3, minus 5. Now we are going to solve practice set 2.2. Here question number first, what is the question? Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization method. In that first equation, x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Solution. First write the given equation, x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Here we'll find the factors of minus 15x, which is as minus 9x minus 6x. Then we write these factors in the equation. Therefore, the equation becomes x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 64 is equal to 0. Here x common, x into x minus 1 minus 6 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 9 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. That means x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 6. Therefore, 9 and 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, third, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, write 27y as 26y plus y. Therefore, 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2y, which is common, 2y into y plus 13 plus 1 into y plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, y plus 13 into 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 13 or 2y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to minus 13 or y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, minus 13 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now next, fifth one, 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Write the given equation, and this minus 2x is written as minus x minus x. Minus x minus x are the factors. Therefore, equation becomes 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x into 2x minus 1 upon 2 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. The equation becomes 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 2 or x is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equations. Now, next, sixth, 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Write the given equation, multiplying each term of the equation by x. After multiplying, the equation becomes 6x square minus 2 is equal to x. Rewrite the equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the factors minus 4x plus 3x, the equation becomes 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. After this, the equation becomes 2x into 3x minus 2 plus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x is equal to 2 or 2x is equal to minus 1. The value of x is equal to 2 upon 3 or x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equations. Now, next example, question number 9. 2m into m minus 24 is equal to 50. Now, rewrite the given equation. 2m into m minus 24 is equal to 50. Now, when we multiply 2m to m, then we get 2m square. 2m into minus 24, that is minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. M square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. Now, dividing each term of the equation by 2. M square minus 24m plus m minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, m into m minus 25 plus 1 into m minus 25 is equal to 0. M minus 25 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 25 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 25 and minus 1 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Next, question number 10. 25m square is equal to 9. Write the given equation. 25m square into is equal to 9. 25m square minus 9 is equal to 0, which is also written as 5m bracket square minus 3 bracket square is equal to 0, which is in the form a square minus b square, and the expansion is a plus b into a minus b. The equation becomes 5m plus 3 into 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 5m is equal to minus 3, or 5m is equal to 3. Therefore m is equal to minus 3 upon 5, or m is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equations. Now 12 m square minus 11 is equal to 0. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. Therefore m square minus in bracket root of 11 bracket square is equal to 0. Therefore m plus root of 11 into m minus root of 11 is equal to 0. That means m plus root of 11 is equal to 0, or m minus root of 11 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to minus root of 11, or m is equal to root of 11. Therefore root of 11 and minus root of 11 are the roots of the given quadratic equations. Okay.